Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. With me, Fei Fei.
And me, Roy. Fei, did you get me a drink of water?
No, I did not. Go and get yourself one.
But I thought you were bringing me one because I overheard you saying to Neil that I was really thirsty.
Oh, right, sorry. You weren't meant to hear that. I mean, you are thirsty on social media. You're always posting photos of yourself trying to get compliments and attention.
I most certainly am not. What makes you think that I post on social media just to get attention?
I have seen some of your elaborate and ridiculous photos. You posted one the other day with a big rat and another where you were dressed as a superhero.
I didn't do that to get attention. I'm not thirsty. And it wasn't a big rat, it was my dog.
Right, let's listen to some examples.
Jeff said Sandra's photos were attention-seeking. I told him she's thirsty. Stop being so thirsty. Why do you always have to post photos just to get attention? Vladimir is so thirsty. He's always sharing photos of himself and a puppy, just to get likes.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the word thirsty, which is an adjective to describe people who are trying very hard to get attention and praise.
I must admit, a lot of people on social media seem really thirsty. They're always posting photos to get likes. You can also say that someone is fishing for compliments.
Or attention seeking. That's another way of saying thirsty. Which reminds me, you look really hot. Do you still want that drink of water?
Yes, please. Oh, I'm really thirsty.
Ha, got you. I recorded you admitting that you're really thirsty. Next time you post something, I have proof.
But I only wanted a drink.
Get it yourself. Bye, Roy.
Oh, bye.